Hey there, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two popular robot vacuum and mop combo cleaners, the iRobot Roomba combo and the robot vacuum and mop combo. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's jump right into it. Let's start with the price. The iRobot Roomba combo is priced at $349, while the robot vacuum and mop combo comes in at $729, so there is quite a difference in price between the two. Now let's talk about the features. The iRobot Roomba combo is designed for both wet and dry floor cleaning. It has a 4-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface rubber brushes that adjust to different floor types. It also comes with a mop pad designed for performance and the ability to fill the bin's tank with a compatible cleaning solution or just water. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo offers a 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming experience. It has a 1,400 pascals suction power and a 230 milliliters electric control water tank for efficient mopping. With its smart app and voice control compatibility, you can easily schedule cleanings and control the direction of cleaning. It also features intelligent obstacle avoidance and a slim design to reach every corner of your house. When it comes to runtime, the iRobot Roomba combo offers a runtime of up to 60 minutes. It also has the ability to learn your home and create an imprint smart map, allowing you to direct it to clean specific rooms on a set schedule or in the moment. The robot vacuum and mop combo, on the other hand, provides a longer runtime of 100 minutes. It also offers 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes: auto, spot, edge, and zigzag. The zigzag path mode ensures maximum coverage and increased cleaning efficiency. Voice commands and control are becoming increasingly popular in smart devices. The iRobot Roomba combo can be paired with Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant-enabled devices, allowing you to control it with voice commands. Similarly, the robot vacuum and mop combo is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, giving you the convenience of starting and stopping the cleaning process with just your voice. Lastly, let's talk about some additional features. The iRobot Roomba combo features patented dirt detect technology, which helps it identify dirtier areas and clean them more thoroughly. It is also compatible with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal, ensuring up to 60 days of worry-free vacuuming. The robot vacuum and mop combo comes with a brushless suction port, which prevents hair entanglement, making it ideal for pet owners. It also includes a remote control, a 230 milliliters water tank, and a 220 milliliters dustbin with a high-efficiency filter. Overall, the online reviews provide valuable insights into the performance and user experiences of both products. Let's take a look at some of the sentiments expressed in the reviews. And that's a wrap on our comparison between the iRobot Roomba combo and the robot vacuum and mop combo. Both products have their unique features and advantages, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Let us know in the comments which product you prefer or if there are any other products you'd like us to compare in the future. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter buying decisions. See you in the next video.